Okay, so I just read that twemoji supports the latest Unicode 14 spec. Isn't it wild how emojis have evolved into this universal language?
Right? It's like they've become a new form of expression. But wait, does that mean they're all standardized across platforms?
Exactly, they're designed for general interchange, making them pretty consistent. But it's interesting how people still create custom emojis.
True, but that's a slippery slope. Custom emojis can fragment communication. How do we know which emojis mean the same thing?
Good point, it's like slang, it can vary so much. But the beauty of twemoji is it tries to keep things uniform.
Right? And I love that twemoji doesn't support custom emojis. It keeps the focus on the universal ones.
Totally, and what's intriguing is how they leverage CDN support. Like before Mac CDN shut down, it was a reliable source.
Yeah, that's a big deal. Using a CDN means faster loading times. But now, what's the backup plan?
They suggest using different CDNs or downloading the assets directly. It's a bit of a hassle, but still manageable.
It is, I mean, it makes me think about how we consume online content. We expect speed and accessibility.
Exactly, and Tomoji's API has this parsing utility that helps with integrating emojis smoothly into websites.
Oh, the DOM parsing method, right. It seems safer because it doesn't compromise surrounding HTML.
Yep, but isn't it funny how the string parsing method is considered legacy now? That feels like a huge jump.
It does. I guess they wanted to prioritize security, but the performance trade-off is an interesting consideration.
For sure, it's like balancing between user experience and security. So do you think people care about that?
Honestly, I think most users just want emojis that work and look good. Security is one of those behind-the-scenes things.
That's so true, and speaking of aesthetics, have you seen how they suggest inline styles for emoji sizing?
Yes, it's clever. Making emojis scale with text size keeps them looking integrated, rather than out of place.
Right, it's these little details that enhance user experience, but I wonder if everyone utilizes that.
Probably not. A lot of people might not even realize they can customize those styles. Education is key.
Absolutely, and I love how the Twemoji project encourages community contributions. It's such a collaborative effort.
Totally, but there's also a downside. Maintaining quality can be tricky with so many contributors.
True, that's a valid concern. It's like, how do you ensure consistency across contributions?
Exactly. And while they accept most contributions, not every suggestion gets merged. That makes sense, though.
It does, but this focus on attribution is a bit onerous. It's important, but can be seen as a barrier.
I agree. It's a fine line between protecting creators and making the project accessible to newcomers.
Right, and it makes me think about how we balance credit and ease of use in open source.
Definitely. It's all about building a community while promoting good practices. Such a tightrope walk.
Exactly, and have you noticed how they include tips for full emoji support, like using UTF-8?
Yes, that's crucial. Not setting the right character set can completely mess up emoji displays.
So true, it's crazy how these technical details impact our everyday experiences online.
Absolutely. And it's fascinating to see how this all ties back to the broader conversation about digital communication.
It really does. Emojis are like a bridge across cultures, making communication more inclusive.
Exactly. But I wonder if we risk losing nuance in conversation as emojis become more prevalent.
That's a compelling question. Emojis can add context, but they can't replace the richness of language.
Precisely. It's a fascinating balance between visual and textual communication.
For sure, and maybe that's why Twemoji's open source nature is so important. It invites more perspectives.
Absolutely. It's like a living project that evolves with input from the community. Exciting stuff.
So to wrap it up, are you optimistic about the future of emojis in digital communication?
I think I am. As long as we stay mindful about the balance between visuals and text.
Totally, and it'll be interesting to see how Twemoji continues to adapt to our changing needs.
Definitely. I can't wait to see what innovations come next in this emoji evolution.